Could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from most musicians.
What's up, guys? We're back here with Hudson's vlog.
Together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
So yeah, guys, that was pretty much it for my vlog. Very short, but vlogging. I've decided to do every other day, and today was kind of very weird day, but I got my butterfly knife, so these are the tricks I can do so far. The classic opening, so, oh frick, let me open. It's hard because it keeps hitting my pillow. And then the ice pick. Oh wait, why did I just open it? And then the ice pick, you go like, wait, like, you go like, and then and then you go like, and then it's like stabby stab. So, yeah, those two were taught to me by Dog Vlog, so go subscribe to him on YouTube, and yeah, hope you like my vlog.
Vlog.